Very good morning, students. The last class we discussed about endoplasmic reticulum and its types, functions, and Golgi apparatus structure, functions we have discussed. Now we are going to see other cell organelle, that is lysosomes. Lysosome is a type of cell organelle. Okay, the lysosome is a kind of waste disposal. Why? Is any waste materials are stored in the cell? Suddenly it is clean the cell. It disposes the waste from the cell. Okay, so that it is a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. Okay, the lysosome are help to clean the cell. It is help to clean the cell, because if waste stores, it is clean the cell. Okay, how it is clean the cell? It is digesting the waste. So what type of waste it is digested? What type of waste is digested by the lysosome? The first one is digest foreign materials. Okay, the first one is foreign material. What is here foreign materials? What is foreign material? Which is not related to the cell. Sometimes some things come, something or anything else, or maybe a bacteria or food, anything else come out into the cell. So suddenly it reacts. Okay, and it will digest. Okay, so which is not related to the cell. All the things are called foreign materials. Okay, which is entering into the cell. And another one, worn out cell organelles. Worn out cell organelles. What does it mean by worn out? Worn out means what? A damaged. Sometimes the cell organs may be damaged or not functioned. So that is a type of waste. It is stored inside the cell. Okay, so the waste disturbs other cell organelles, so that it is digesting, the lysosomes digesting the foreign materials and worn out or damaged cell organelles. Okay, and also digest bacteria or food. If bacteria is entered, or else if any food particles enter, okay, or else any old cell organelles, or if they are inside the cell, okay, suddenly what happening? It is digest. This digestion all ends inside the lysosome. All the digestion, okay, ends up in the lysosome, which break down into smaller pieces. Okay, and the lysosome contains enzymes. So here what we mean by word enzymes? Enzyme is a chemical substances. So well known example, saliva you studied, which is secreted by the salivary gland. Okay, salivary gland secretes saliva. The saliva contains an enzyme, salivary amylase. Okay, which is help to break down the starch into the sugar molecules. Okay, so the enzymes are the chemical substances. Okay, the enzymes are inside the Okay, and worn out cell organelle, bacteria or food. This is food, and all the cell organelles these are digested or break down into smaller pieces. Okay, with the help of the enzyme, which is contained by the lysosome. Okay, totally 40 types of enzymes are there in lysosome. 40 types of enzymes are there in the lysosome. Okay, so these enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. These enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, simply it's called, these enzymes are break down the organic material. Organic material, you know what is organic, what is inorganic. Okay, it breaks down, these enzymes are made by the RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and it is break down the organic materials. Okay, and this lysosome we generally call it as a suicidal bag or suicide bags. Very important one. Suicide bag. This lysosome generally called suicide bags. Why it is called suicide bag? When the foreign body enters, for example, this structure of lysosome. Okay, so this is a membrane. This is a membrane. Okay, and the enzymes, these are the enzymes. These are the enzymes. Okay, now if any foreign bodies or foreign materials enters, this is a cell. This is a cell. Inside lysosomes are there. So these are the lysosomes. Okay, if any foreign bodies are entered to the cell, suddenly these lysosomes are burst. These lysosomes are burst. Okay, so when what will happen? The enzymes will come out. The enzymes will come out. The enzymes are come out and digest the foreign materials or waste materials which is inside the cell. Okay, so this is act as like a suicide. Okay, that's why the lysosomes are called as suicidal bags or suicide bags. Suicide bags. Okay, the lysosome are membrane bound sacs. Sac like structure. Sac means what is a bag like structure. Okay, here enzymes are there. Enzymes are there, filled with the enzymes. So when the foreign bodies enter, suddenly the lysosomes are burst and they release the enzyme under digesting and keep the cell very clean. Okay, that's why it's called suicidal bags. Suicidal bags. Okay, again the lysosome is one of the cell organelle. It is a kind of waste disposal system of the cell. Help to clean the cell. It disposes the waste, so it helps to clean the cell and digest the foreign materials which is not related to the cell, the considered as a foreign material, and worn out cell organelles, that means damaged, which is not functioned. The cell organelles are digested. Bacteria or food or any old cell organelles, if they are inside the cell, okay, suddenly it is break down into smaller pieces or digesting into smaller pieces. Okay, how will it digest? This is a sac-like structure, membrane bound sacs, this lysosome. So inside enzymes are present. Enzymes are chemical substances. These chemical substances only break down these things. Okay, when the foreign body enters, suddenly the lysosomes are burst and enzymes are released out and it is digest and break down into smaller pieces. Okay, so this is a type cell organelle, lysosome. Next cell organelle, mitochondria. We have studied in the previous years. Mitochondria we studied. It's a powerhouse of the cell. Generally is called powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria. It is called the powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. Okay, so we have so many cells. We have different organs. We have so many cells are there. Okay, we need some chemical activities. We need for maintaining the life. For maintaining the life, we need so many chemical activities. For the needing energy. For the chemical activities need energy. The energies are produced by the mitochondria. Okay, are released by the mitochondria. So that this is called powerhouse of the cell. Again, the question will come: which cell organ is called the powerhouse of the cell? Why? Or state the reason. The energy required for various chemical activities needed for life. It is released. Which one? The energy is released by the mitochondria. Okay, in the form of ATP. It releases energy, no? The energy is in the form of ATP. What is mean by ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. Okay, it's an energy giving molecule. Energy giving molecule. Energy giving molecules. Okay, this ATP is also called energy currency. Energy currency. Mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. ATP is called also called energy currency. What is ATP? Is energy giving molecule. The expansion of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Okay. Naturally, the body uses energy for various activities. Okay, for running, for eating. If you are sleeping, also need energy. Okay, we are sleeping, but not our cells. The cells inside the cell organelles are there now. The cell organelles are functioning because to maintain our body needing the chemical activities. That is very important for maintain the life or cell. For that need energy. That energy is given by the mitochondria. Okay, so when these energies are, the ATPs are produced, it helps to making other chemical compound. Other chemical compound, this ATP help to produce another chemical compound for our mechanical work. For our mechanical work, whatever it is, running, walking, any type of activities. Okay, need energy. Okay, so that energy we get only when the ATPs are produced. Okay, so the ATP is making new chemical compounds. Okay, for our mechanical work. Okay, now structure of the mitochondria. Structure. outer membrane. This is inner membrane. Okay, the inner membranes are folded. The inner membranes are folded. Okay, the outer membrane are porous. Porous means what? Small holes are there. Okay, and the inner membranes are deeply folded, like a finger-like projections. Like a finger-like projection is deeply folded. Deeply folded. Okay, this deeply folded finger-like projections are called no. This is called crista or cristae. These finger-like projections are deeply folded, called cristae or crista. Okay, cristae or crista. So inside the inner membrane only contains the chemical reactions occurs only in the inner membrane. Here only the chemical reactions occurs. The outer membrane is porous. The inner membranes are deeply folded. That is called cristae. The inner membranes only chemical reaction occurs. Chemical reaction occurs. The chemical reaction only which produce the ATP. Okay, the chemical reaction occurs only in the inner membrane, not outer membrane. Okay, and inside the fluid substances are there. Inside the mitochondria, the fluid substances are there. The fluid substances called matrix. Matrix. The fluid substances are called matrix. Okay, again, this is the structure of mitochondria. Have outer membrane and inner membrane. The outer membrane are very porous. The inner membrane are folded deeply. That is called cristae. The inner membranes only the chemical reaction occurs which generate the ATP. Okay, so reaction occurs only in the inner membrane. And inside the mitochondria, the fluid substances are there. That is called matrix. Okay, very important points in the mitochondria. The mitochondria only have their own DNA. You know what is deoxyribonucleic acid and ribosomes. Ribosomes is a very important character. Okay, have their own DNA and ribosomes. Okay, so it is able to make their own proteins. Okay, if other cell organelles have to wait, the plastids also will have the same character, except the plastids and the mitochondria, other cell organelles don't have this character, having own DNA and ribosome. So it is produce their own protein, but other cell organelles have to wait for others. Okay, it's a very important character in mitochondria. Again, the mitochondria is one of the membrane-bound cell organelle. It is generally called the powerhouse of the cell because for chemical activities we need chemical activities to maintain the life. Okay, for chemical activities need energy. Okay, that energy produced by the mitochondria, so that it is called the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, the energy produced in the form of chemical substances, that is called ATP adenosine triphosphate. Okay, this is an energy giving molecule. energy giving molecule. The expansion, ATP is also called, generally called energy currency. Okay, and the structure. Okay, so have outer membrane and inner membrane. The outer membrane very porous, inner membrane are folded, deeply folded. That is called the cristae or crista. Okay, inner membrane only involved in the chemical reaction which generate the ATP and have their own DNA and ribosome able to produce their own proteins. Okay, that's all. This is one of the examples. Next is the organelle plastics. 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 The plastic only present in plant cell. These things are common both the plant and animal cells. Mitochondria, Golgi body, cytoplasm, reticulum, these are the common. The cell organelle plaster only present in plant cell. Plastics. Okay, the plastic only present plant cell, very important, plant cells. Plant cells. So there are two types of plastics are there. Types. Okay, there are two types. The first type is chromoplast. Chromoplast. Okay, what is a chromoplast? Colored pigments are present. Colored pigments are present. So have color plastics. Colored plastics. Colored pigments are present. Chromo means what? Color. Okay. Another one is leucoplast. Leucoplast is one of the plastic. Okay, this may be a white color or colorless. White or colorless plastics. Okay, when the plastid contains green color green color pigments, okay, which is giving the green color. Okay, the maximum plants are green color, no, because more amount of green color pigments are there. Okay, the pigments for the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment, green color pigments. Okay, called chloroplast. Chloroplast. Chloroplast is a type of plastid. Chloroplast is a type of plastids which having the green color pigments. Green color pigments. Okay, this chloroplast is important for photosynthesis. You know what is photosynthesis? Plants are able to produce their own food, no? The process called photosynthesis. Okay, so this photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast because there only the green color pigments are present. So the site of photosynthesis is chloroplast only. Site of photosynthesis is chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast is a site of photosynthesis in plants. Okay, so only chloroplast contain green color pigments? No, the chloroplast also contain other than green color. Green color also present. Green color pigments also present. Yellow colored pigments present. Orange colored pigments are present. Okay, green also there. Green is much. Okay, yellow color pigments and orange color pigments are there in the chloroplast. Okay, in addition to the chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll only is normally present in the chloroplast. These things are present. Other than that, green color pigments are present in the chloroplast. Okay, now leucoplast. We discussed about leucoplast is a white color or colorless plastic. We discussed no colorless plastics. Okay, sometimes it is stores starch, oil, and protein granules. And protein granules are stored. Protein granules are stored. Okay, it is a colorless. Sometimes it may be a white, and also it stores starch, oil, and now we'll see the structure of chloroplast. There is a outer and inner membrane like a mitochondria. Chloroplast also having outer and inner membrane. Is a outer membrane, and this is inner membrane. Okay, and inside the chloroplast, the membrane structures are embedded in the material, in the fluid material. This fluid material called it as stroma. This is the structure of chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast, the membrane. Now we are going to see some membrane structure. The membrane structures are embedded. Okay, in the fluid material. The fluid material called it as a stroma. And inside the chloroplast, there are flat structures are there. The flat structures are there, and these structures are there. These structures are called as a grana. Is called grana. Inside there is a membrane structure. Membrane structures are there. The structures are arranged like a columns. Okay, called grana. These are the grana. Okay, this is thylakoids. Thylakoid means what are the single. The flat structure called the thylakoids. The thylakoids are arranged like a coins, stacks. Okay, that is called the grana. That membrane called the thylakoids. Each membrane called the thylakoids. This is thylakoids. And these thylakoids are connected. These thylakoids are connected like this. Tube-like structure or membrane structures are connected. All the thylakoids. This is called grana. Stroma lamella. The fluid substance called stroma. These thylakoids are connected with a membranous structure, tube-like structure. This is called a stroma lamella. Okay, this is the structure of the chloroplast. Okay, and another important character for the chloroplast have own DNA and ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are present like mitochondria. Chloroplast contains own DNA and ribosome. So it is able to produce their own protein. Okay. So some similarities are there. Two similarities are there between the plastid and mitochondria. What are the similarities? First similarities, both mitochondria and plastids are membrane bound cell organelles. Membrane bound cell organelles. Another one similarity, both have their own DNA and ribosomes. Both have own DNA and ribosome. These are the similarities between the mitochondria and plastids. Okay, that's all. Today we discussed about some more cell organelles, mitochondria, plastids and lysosomes we have discussed. I will send you worksheet. Kindly complete the worksheet and you should have a habit of textbook reading. Textbook reading is very important, particularly NCERT students have to study the textbook properly, line by line you have to study. Okay, so we have to study line by line and understand the concept. Okay, and as well complete the worksheet whatever we provides. Thank you.